I'm putting it right here now that there's a threat on Sunday by the federal government. I can tell the whole world now, not just Sunday Igboho, all those that attended that event yesterday. So we are putting it now. Sober threatening while we are doing peaceful, they are going to trigger the next thing that we don't want to see. And so live on the broadcast now that Sunday Igboho was threatened as at this early hour this morning. I spoke to him already. Babawa heritage can confirm that as well. And what we are asking for now is under the UNPO, under United Nations, under the EU. We have not done anything. We have not asked anybody. The October 1st rally in Nigeria must be peaceful.
Oh, yes.
We are telling you now, don't carry any weapon on the 1st of October. If the army, the soldier, the military, the police do anything, leave that. We will then deal with it from outside the country. Do not use October 1st rally to raid and to become a thief, a daylight robbery. But when to be judged in the southwest, to buy one shop on the shop, alale ma pa ni. But when to be judged ní October 1st, to bá pé kó fẹ́ fi jalè ni, àwọn alale ma pa ni. Ẹ jáde, ẹ lè dira. Don't attack the police. Don't attack the military. Don't attack the SSS. Don't burn any building out. We are telling you now that go out peacefully. They cannot stop it. They cannot stop the rally in Nigeria on the 1st of October. Nothing can stop it. We are giving you all the assurance, not just from Koiki Media, assurance from all the Yoruba around the world. But you must also go out peacefully. That is all I will say.